The Midual Type 1 is a rare and ultra-exclusive luxury motorcycle that represents the height of bespoke engineering and craftsmanship in the motorcycle world. Manufactured in France by Midual, a boutique motorcycle company, the Type 1 is not designed for mass appeal or volume sales. Instead, it is crafted for connoisseurs who value innovation, exclusivity, and artisanal quality. The price of the Midual Type 1 reflects its rarity and attention to detail, with each unit costing approximately $185,000 to $200,000 USD, depending on customization options. This places it among the most expensive production motorcycles ever made. One of the most unique aspects of the Type 1 is its power plant. Unlike conventional motorcycle engines, the Midual Type 1 features a longitudinal flat twin engine with a 1036cc displacement. This innovative engine layout is mounted lengthwise in the frame and produces around 106 horsepower and 100 Nm of torque. The design offers a low center of gravity and distinct vibration characteristics. It's not about extreme performance, but about delivering a refined, smooth, and unique riding experience that sets it apart from anything else on the market. The craftsmanship of the Type 1 is where it truly stands out. The monocoque frame is constructed from a single block of aluminum, doubling as the fuel tank, and offering both structural strength and visual appeal. The finish is fully customizable, with owners able to choose from a wide range of leather, wood, aluminum, and paint finishes to create a motorcycle that is tailored down to the finest detail. Every aspect of the bike, from the seat to the instrument panel, can be customized to suit personal tastes. Suspension is handled by high-end components including Öhlins forks and rear shock, offering a premium ride feel. Braking is managed by top-tier Brembo calipers, ensuring precise stopping power. The bike includes traditional analog dials with an elegantly designed cockpit, maintaining a classic aesthetic while offering a modern level of build quality. The Midual Type 1 is not a motorcycle for the average rider. It's aimed at collectors and enthusiasts who value rarity and fine engineering over speed or practicality. With only a handful produced, it is a statement of mechanical artistry and luxury, offering an ownership experience that is deeply personal and entirely unique. In the world of motorcycles,